TikTok, everybody's favorite. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you are, that's really good. Anyway, today's video, TikTok lifestyle tips. So I did a video like this earlier where I kind of tried out like TikTok DIYs and TikTok life hacks. Well, today's video is kind of like that, but today I'm going to be trying out lifestyle hacks and tips. So like fashion tips, makeup tips, style tips. I don't know, a lot of stuff falls under lifestyle. You'll just see. Let's get into the video. Okay, so if I mess this up, then I'm gonna have horrible makeup for the rest of the video, but that's okay. Anyway, this TikTok is basically how to do a cut crease when you don't have the extra crease right up here. So let's see if this works. First thing you do, put concealer on your eyelid. JK, it's supposed to be eyeshadow primer, but I thought it was concealer, so don't put concealer on first. Put on the eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use this little beauty blender to blend this in. Anyway, according to the TikTok, the first step is to draw a crease with a dark shade. I'm gonna use this brush. Don't know if this is the right brush. I really don't ever put on eyeshadow because I'm way too lazy to do that. Okay, I think I drew that pretty straight. Let's do the other side. Normally it takes me such a long time to put on eyeshadow, so hopefully this is also fast as well as effective. Then I'm going to use this Urban Decay palette, which is definitely a knockoff. Then you're supposed to take this blending brush and blend in a slightly lighter shade into this. Okay, not bad, not bad. That looks pretty good, and now you take more concealer and you just kind of do this and then blend it in. Then finally you take a little bit of a darker color and blend it into the corners. Wow, okay, that actually really worked. I think that looks good. It's not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be, but I think that's the eyeshadow and not the tutorial itself. I think it looks better than what I normally do. So this little lifestyle hack worked. Gonna put on my false eyelashes now. Not gonna film that because that literally takes me 15 minutes and you don't really wanna see that, do you? I mean, maybe you do, but like, eyelashes on now. So these eyelashes are a little bit long and they're really big, but these are the ones that I had and I want to use them up, so we're gonna deal with them, whatever, even though they kind of corrupt my line of sight, but that's okay. I think this little cut crease TikTok tutorial hack thing really worked, so this one gets a good rating. Let's move on to the next one. I've been seeing a lot of like photo shoot tips and tricks, and I guess that falls under lifestyle tips. There are certain like photo shoot poses that are supposed to make your photos look more editorial. For example, like using your hand to like block the sun, flicking your hair in motion while the picture is being taken, and then putting your shoe in the camera. Let's go try that out and see if the photos look more editorial, which is kind of subjective, but whatever. And also with a quote editorial photo, then I can do the little Vogue trend too, where you put the title Vogue above the photo, so it makes it look like a magazine cover. You know, you've probably seen that. Okay, so now I'm outside. I'm gonna take the editorial picture, gonna try to flip the hair with the self-timer. It's windy out, so that's why the audio is all weird, but that's okay. At least the lighting is good for once. I think the hair flip in the super like low angle will look real good. So let's take these pictures. I got some good ones. Let's edit them. Okay, so the next TikTok little life hack trend thing, whatever, you know, you get the point of this video, is how to tie a bandana into your hair successfully, I guess. So the first thing is to tie your hair into a loose ponytail. Like that. Then you just throw the bandana on top of your head and tie it in the back. Then you take the comb and then comb like these pieces out in front of your face. I also think this works better if you have a middle part too, which I do not. I think that looks good, and then you just take the hair tie out of the ponytail. Ooh, I think that works. I think it looks pretty good. This bandana, it's like not a square bandana, it's like a weird parallelogram bandana, so I think that's why it looks like weird in the back a little bit. But other than that, I think it looks good. This is a cute hairstyle. It really spices up an outfit. This lifestyle tip also gets a good rating. Next tip involves turning a pair of these like soft shorts with like a little, what is this, a drawstring into a top. So basically what you do is you put this on over your head like this, and it becomes a one shoulder tank top. It kind of works. Let me adjust it a little bit. Okay, not bad. Weird one shoulder tank top, but it kind of works. You know, I wouldn't go around wearing this normally, but it does work if for some reason you forgot like a tank top and you have a pair of soft shorts and you want to wear a tank top, then this is good. It's a good solution. But yeah, I'd say this tip also works. It is for sure a look. Plus you just have some like random shirt pockets. That's cool. So you know what? Go ahead and try this out and go try it. So the next little hack involves rolling jeans. These jeans fit really weird. I don't know if they're supposed to be skinny jeans or not, but they're kind of weirdly long. But let's try this hack out. So basically, instead of rolling your jeans like this hack says instead to pinch this together like so and then start rolling. Okay, I'm not quite sure what a difference that made. Let's try the other leg. Okay, it looks kind of cool. I'm not exactly sure what difference that made. It worked, it's keeping them rolled, but I don't really tell the difference in look. I'm just gonna go with it and say this hack worked. Maybe I did it wrong. I definitely did it wrong, probably, I don't know. Watch the TikTok yourself, I linked it below, so you can tell me if I did it right or wrong. Okay, and then finally another hair thing, and yes, I've switched shirts like 50 times during this video, but whatever. This one explains how to do a low bun. So first you need a middle part. I don't part my hair down the middle, so we're gonna see how this turns out. Okay, middle part accomplished. Then basically you divide your hair up into like two little pieces. And then do this. So there's like a little loop. Then you do it to the other side too. Pull the hairs down from the front. Then you open one of these loops, put your hand through, pull the other one in, and then kind of just like tuck these hairs underneath, I guess. And take the third hair tie and boom. Ooh, that actually really worked. I'm surprised because I thought that wasn't gonna hold my hair at all, but it's really tight and it does hold my hair, obviously, and even when I move my head, it doesn't fall out. Okay, so maybe that's a permanent life hack that I'm gonna remember for the rest of my life. And I think you could also do this for a bun at the top of your head too. I think that would also work. So this one works really well too. I suggest you do this if you're like me and you cannot get a messy bun correctly. Ever. Ever. that's it for today's video. Honestly, all of these lifestyle tips really worked, so I would recommend go do all of these. All the TikToks will be linked down below if you want to see the actual TikTok instead of my version of it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want to, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, follow me on Instagram. See you next time. Thanks again for watching. Bye!